Hi traders, in today's psychology and trading video, we're going to be looking at how to master your emotions with the W principle. Today is the final part out of the 4-part video series. And here we're going to be looking at a guided practice which will teach you a technique on how to live this W principle. This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our psychology and trading video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Norpon here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are on part 4, the guided practice. So we're going to be doing a small practice today that will help you establish the witness principle that we've been talking about. And for those of you who've not seen the previous parts, I highly encourage you guys to look at that before you do this practice. So today, we're going to be looking at a bit of a combination of silent sitting, you may call it meditation if you want as well, and a bit of combination of breath as well, some breathing techniques so as to calm the mind down and go into that nice silent space. Okay, so let's start off.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
By placing your palms first on your thigh muscles. If you're sitting on a chair, make sure your feet is on the ground, and then your palms facing upwards on your thigh muscles. If you're sitting on a floor cross-legged, then just your palms just facing upwards on your legs. Okay, and then you just sit comfortably and easily, and for a few moments, keeping your eyes open, you just focus on your incoming and outgoing breath. Just like this, just focus on your breath. In and out. And then slowly and gently, when you feel comfortable, just close your eyes. Just relax your shoulders and your body. Keep your attention on your breath in and out. Now let's take a deep breath in together and breathe out. Another deep breath in. And this time when you breathe out, say, ah, and just drop your whole body weight onto the floor. Just relax. Let go of all efforts. Take another deep breath in and out. Just relax. Keep focusing on your incoming and outgoing breath. Just ensure to keep your spine erect throughout the entire guided meditation. Whenever the mind wanders away to the past or the future, slowly and gently, with love and care, pull it back to the present moment using your breath. Breathe in and out. The breath is the direct link to your mind. The past is history. The future is a mystery. That's why the present is a present to you. Breathe in and out. In the present moment, connect to the presence within you. The presence which is the changeless principle in the ever-changing world. The presence which is the constant observer, the witness of all the things that happens around you, of all the experiences and all the thoughts and emotions that flow up and down within your mind. Breathe in and out. Connect to the presence, the witness, the changeless principle within. Similar to the depth of the ocean, which is always unaffected by the waves that rise and subside, just like your thoughts, which rise and dissolve. Remain connected within the witness principle to your presence. Whatever emotions that may arise, let it be fear or greed in your trading. Just observe them and let them dissolve away to where they came from. And you remaining ever established in the witness principle. Breathe in and out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. And one more time and out. Start getting aware of your lower body, upper body, neck, face, ears, head. Start getting aware of your entire body and your surroundings and the room you're sitting in. Rub your palms together. Place them over your arms. And when you feel comfortable, slowly and gently open your eyes. So how are you all feeling right now? Usually when we ask this in Traders Base Camp, everybody usually replies back saying they feel very calm, centered, focused. Imagine traders, being in this state whenever you are trading. You can simply appreciate the amount of focus and discipline we will have. This is the power of being in our presence, the witness principle, yeah, which is used by top traders and achievers and leaders around the world. So of course you can revisit this meditation, you can replay it back, and you can use it even in your daily routines as well. Okay, so definitely look into this.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
One thing I do want to mention as well, traders, if you guys are more interested into looking into this and looking at different breathing techniques to, bring your mind to the present moment and establishing yourself more in the witness principle, one organization that we do recommend and we follow ourselves is called the Art of Living. Okay, the Art of Living. I've been following them for many years. In fact, we recommend that to quite a lot of traders out there. They are a very big organization. In fact, when they celebrated their 25 years Silver Jubilee celebration, they had 2.53 million people all in one place from all different countries, Mexico, Japan, Spain, Europe, name it, right? They were all there. So it's a really, really great organization with millions of people following it. And experiencing the benefits on how you can use this breath to silence the mind and get into that presence of the witness principle. So you guys can definitely look into this. This is one of the many organizations out there, but we have used it and we can highly recommend it. All right. Okay, cool. Now we will move on to a quick recap on what we have covered in the last 4 parts. And again, I highly encourage you guys that whoever haven't watched the previous parts, please go and watch them. All right. So in the first part, we looked at what is the W principle? What is it all about? What is this witness principle all about? Then we carried on to looking at the why. Why should we learn this witness principle? What is its benefits? What is its importance? We looked at it as well. And then we also learned then how to practice it as well. We looked at 3 techniques actually in part 3 that you can look at and you can further ingrain this witness principle. And today we did a guided practice where you did a combination of silent sitting and using your breath, or we call it in Sanskrit pranayam. Okay. So this is really good, traders. I mean, if you do wish that you need to revisit them, please revisit the videos. And if you want to put any comments, please put them below these videos as well. Traders, it's been a pleasure serving you on this 4-part video series on the witness principle. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.